The velocity of an object at time t is given by v as 10 plus 3t minus t squared. Find the maximum velocity in the subsequent motion. So we want dv dt to be equal to 0. And dv dt is going to be 3 minus 2t. So we will need 3 minus 2t to be equal to 0, which gives me 2t is equal to 3. So t is 3 over 2, or 1.5 seconds. So v of 3 over 2 is going to be 10 plus 3 times 3 over 2. Take away 3 over 2 squared. And we just need to calculate that. So I might just do it as a decimal. So that's 10. Add 3 times 1.5. Take away 1.5 squared. And that gives me 12.25 meters per second.